Welcome to Inspirely STEAM Education, where we empower today's youth for tomorrow's economy with the skills and mindset they need to succeed. The Inspirely Passion Discovery workshops aim to foster children's curiosity and encourage them to remain active by exploring innovative topics. Through these workshops, students can also discover various career fields in an exciting and playful manner. Moreover, they help students link their classroom learning to real-life applications and provide them with a reason to focus on their studies. At Inspirely, we believe that education should be hands-on and interactive. Our DIY STEAM kits, which are aligned with the curriculum, reflect this belief and are an ideal choice for schools and nonprofit educational organizations looking to enhance classroom learning. These kits also serve as a unique and innovative fundraising option. Moreover, small business owners and corporations are utilizing our kits to provide their employees, customers, and clients with a gift of learning, appreciation, and recognition. We've gained the trust of parents, teachers, school principals, and leads of educational not-for-profit organizations. Our Passion Discovery workshops and DIY STEAM kits complement students' regular school education and inspire them to stay focused in classroom learning. If you are interested in collaborating with us, please speak with or contact Inspirely Associates to get started with free workshop and discounted DIY STEAM kits for your school students. Thank you.